Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this gorgeous chocolate brown hair. I don't know what shade of chocolate this is, but this is definitely dark chocolate. And believe it or not, the color I use, and then it has like some streaks of black in it as well. I did not bleach this hair. As you guys will see in the video, I only used the developer. I used the developer the first time to lift the black, and then the second time I used developer and a hair color. I forget the brand I used, but you guys will see it in the video. It's 20 inches, and I think it's 2020 18 with a 16 closure. And yes guys, this is a 4x4 closure, and it is glueless. It's a custom glueless unit that I made. So as you can see, it's like right there like that, and it fits snug. Usually for my clients, I usually put an elastic band and combs in the wigs that I make, but this one doesn't actually have anything on here, and it fits like snug. Like I can it fits really snug. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in my next video. All right. Oh, and if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just keep watching. It was super easy, and I'm telling you guys, you can do this. Anybody can do this. Beginner friendly, expert, just want to try it out, you got it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Ignore my one nail. Ignore my one nail, guys. It has refused to come off. The only thing I haven't done yet is the acetone, which I probably would, but anyhow, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
As you guys see, the natural hair color was like a 1B. I went in with my 40 volume developer and I kind of like just poured it on the hair. I made sure I saturated every part of this unit because I wanted everything to lift except the very top, because I kind of wanted it to have that like dark roots effect, if that makes any sense. You guys will see it. But yeah, so this is the first time I tried to lift it, and when I was done here, I covered it in the bag and I let it sit for I think about 6 to 7 hours, and then I washed it off. It didn't lift as light as I wanted it to be, so I went back in again the second time. I think it was like 2 days after. I went back in with the 40 volume developer, and this time around I added the Adore, I think it was cinnamon brown color to it. I mixed it in a bowl and I saturated the hair with this mixture. But if you'll notice, when it got to the top, that's the part for like the closure where I wanted my part to be, I kind of like feathered it on. I feathered the mixture on there because I didn't want it to like just color the entire thing, because you also have to watch out for that lace. I wanted it to have, like I said before, the dark root effect, and it actually came out really nice. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure you take your time with this. Make sure you saturate the entire thing. If not, you're gonna be left with like dark streaks of hair. So it's gonna be like dark highlights, which weren't bad. It actually looked really good, because that's what happened to me. But yeah, if you don't want that and you want every single thing to be like brown, make sure you take your time. Take your time, go in, open the unit up. Like if you're not working with bundles, if you're already working with it in a unit, make sure you open it up, put some of that mixture in there, brush the hair, and make sure everything is saturated. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had fun doing this, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Stay safe out there, and I love you guys, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.
minister.